You saw your first deep fake when you were 15.
Yeah, maybe younger.
Right? Your deep fake.
I don't know if it was a
thought
deep.
it was okay.
I don't know if it was a deep fake, but it was like.
Oh.
Yeah, it was like a deep fake-ish at that time, whatever
Us zamane
version.
ka deep fake.
It was something. I saw a picture of me on a porn site. I wasn't on the porn site. We had like IT class or something like that in school, and the boys who maze ke liye, they used to go on those sites, and like my pictures were on there. And this was in school. So that was a weird experience.
And you said that you thought it was okay, ye to hoga hi, this is the cost that you have to pay.
No, that's how I look at it now. That's not how I look at it now, but
at some point you looked at it like that.
At some point I was like,
why?
This is the price of. There's no morality in a lot of these things, especially with social media. I think everyone's parading around with this. If anything that's come out of this woke sensibility is a slightly correctional behavior in terms of ethics and morality. But for the larger part of it, I feel...
No, I want to understand this. Like a lot of people, they think it's okay क्योंकि ऐसा तो होता ही है, ये होगा,
और ये public figure
है तो ये होगा ही. And the other part is like, how can this happen?
But how this happen? बोल के क्या ही करूँ? क्या होगा?
But how did you come to this? Like, how did you make peace with it? Because this is scary.
I'm not at peace with it. There are visuals of me out there, put out even by like official news pages and channels that are complete AI. I've never worn that. I've never been photographed in that. It's not true, but it's been circulated in the media, on social media, as if it's something that I've worn, put out, etc., etc. And that creates a certain kind of impression to the extent that I know tomorrow if I'm doing a film and if I tell the director, no, I'm not comfortable wearing this, they can pull out that picture and say, लेकिन यहाँ तो किया है इतना, ऐसे तो देख लिया ना सबने. They won't do it, obviously, but it makes you think. I don't know what the moral guidelines for something like this can be to curb this. It upsets me, of course, but again, I feel like I don't have that much of a voice to complain about it as, say, someone who comes from not such a privileged Nepo background. Because for me, I think the gaze is a little bit like, इतना सब कुछ मिला ना life में,
थोड़ा सह लो.
हाँ, थोड़ा सह लो और इतना complain मत करो. लोग photo देख रहे हैं ना तेरी, खुश रहो. So
चलते हैं से लोग.
So I don't think at this point my voice has the kind of credibility that every voice should have to be able to say something against it, because it'll be skewed and there'll be weird backlash which will take away from the cause. But it's not a problem not just with me. I think Rashmika spoke about it. I think a lot of other people spoke about it as well.